As a leader, how often do you withhold information from your team? Do you ever do it? Sometimes some leaders do it. Why do they do it? Well, they might be afraid. They might think their position might be gone because if they reveal certain information to their team members. This happens in organization, isn't it? One of my executive coaching clients, the problem in his team is this leader who is the department head in the organization. He is working with a consultant from another organization who is supporting to do his work. Usually this leader, he is not sharing the information and withholding some of the information because he feels insecure. He feels that his role might be taken up by the consultant. And through this executive coaching engagement, we were able to resolve this. But it took more than 6 months to resolve because this leader, he was afraid. He didn't know what to do. According to John Maxwell, leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. That means as the leader, you have the ability to influence your thoughts, your emotions, your behaviors. At the same time, you are able to influence the thoughts, emotions, and behaviors of other people. That's what great leadership is about. But if we look back to the example where the leader cannot share the information with the consultant, what is actually happening? The consultant will be working with frustration throughout the day. And with this frustration, can we achieve the leadership synergy that we are talking about, where the 1 + 1 = 3 effect, where one person, two persons come together and can do things that greater than one person could do? This is the effect we are talking about, the culture we want to create. And if you as the leader, if you are afraid that the consultant or whoever in your team would take over you, it's high time for you to get humble. Eliminate this ineffective behavior from you so that you can go to the next level where you are supposed to do. With whatever the habits you already have, you have reached this far as the leader of this organization. But to go from this place to that place where you want to go in the next 5 years, you have to keep on working on yourself. That's what Marshall Goldsmith says. Withholding information is one of the ineffective behaviors. So if you are doing this, if your team members are doing this, it's high time that we take them on an executive coaching journey and influence them so that they improve on their behavior. And because of that, the organization benefits. Follow me for more information about the ineffective behaviors and how to solve these ineffective behavioral problems.